In the fast-paced world of finance, effective management is the bedrock of success. Whether you're overseeing budgets, tracking expenses, managing investments, or ensuring compliance, having the right tools can make all the difference. Project management platforms have evolved far beyond simple task lists, now offering robust features that can be tailored to various business functions, including finance. Among the leading contenders are ClickUp and Monday.com, both widely recognized for their versatility. But when it comes to financial management, does ClickUp truly offer more options than Monday.com? As a finance management expert, I can tell you that the answer isn't a simple yes or no. Both platforms are incredibly powerful, but they approach flexibility and feature sets from different angles. Understanding these differences is crucial for any finance professional looking to optimize their operations. Let's break down how each platform stacks up, focusing on what matters most for financial teams. The philosophy of each platform. Monday.com often gets praised for its visual appeal and ease of use. Its vibrant, board-centric interface makes it incredibly intuitive for new users to jump in and start organizing tasks. This simplicity is a major strength, particularly for teams that prioritize a clean, uncluttered workspace. For financial teams, this might translate to quick setup of expense tracking boards or simple budget dashboards. ClickUp, on the other hand, positions itself as an all-in-one work management platform. It aims to replace multiple tools by offering a vast array of features and an almost unparalleled level of customization. This means that while it might have a steeper learning curve initially, the depth of its capabilities allows for highly specific and intricate financial workflows. Customization, a finance team's best friend. For finance professionals, customization is not just a nice-to-have. It's a necessity. Financial processes are often unique to each organization, involving specific approval hierarchies, data fields, and reporting requirements. Here's where ClickUp generally takes the lead. ClickUp offers an incredibly granular level of customization. You can create an unlimited number of custom fields for tasks, allowing you to track precise financial data points like invoice number, payment due date, budgeted amount, actual spend, vendor, or approval status. This level of detail is invaluable for maintaining accurate financial records within your project management system. Monday.com also offers custom fields, but ClickUp's flexibility in structuring these fields, e.g., drop-downs, formulas, relationships, and its extensive hierarchy, spaces, folders, lists, tasks, subtasks, often provide more avenues for organizing complex financial data. For example, you could have a finance space, a budgeting folder, a Q2 2025 budget list, and individual tasks for each department's budget allocation, complete with custom fields for tracking actual versus projected spend. Automation, streamlining financial processes. Automation is a game changer for finance teams, reducing manual errors and freeing up valuable time for more strategic work. Both platforms offer strong automation capabilities, but there are differences in their depth and breadth. ClickUp's automation engine is incredibly robust. It allows for a vast array of recipes, triggers, and actions that can automate virtually any repetitive financial task. For instance, you can set up automations to automatically assign an expense report for approval when its status changes to submitted, send a notification to a vendor when an invoice is marked as paid, create recurring tasks for monthly financial closes, payroll processing, or tax filings. Update a budget dashboard when a task's actual spend custom field is updated. Monday.com also provides a good selection of pre-built automation recipes and allows for custom automations. These are generally easier to set up for basic workflows. However, for highly complex financial processes requiring multiple triggers, conditions, and actions, ClickUp's Automation Builder often provides more flexibility and power. For instance, if your approval process involves multiple layers based on spending thresholds, ClickUp's advanced automation features might be more adept at handling such intricacies. Integrations, connecting your financial ecosystem. No finance team operates in a vacuum. Seamless integration with other financial software, like accounting platforms, e.g., QuickBooks, Xero, payment gateways, and reporting tools, is essential. Both ClickUp and Monday.com offer a decent range of native integrations. However, ClickUp generally boasts a larger number of native integrations, and its open API allows for even more extensive connections with specialized financial software. This can be a significant advantage if your finance team relies on a diverse set of tools. The ability to pull data from your accounting software directly into ClickUp tasks or to push financial data from ClickUp to a reporting dashboard can significantly enhance efficiency and data accuracy. Reporting and dashboards, gaining financial insight. Visualizing financial data is crucial for decision-making. Both platforms offer powerful reporting and dashboard features. ClickUp's dashboards are highly customizable, allowing you to pull in data from various lists and tasks to create comprehensive financial overviews. You can build widgets to track budgeted versus actual expenses, cash flow projections, vendor payment statuses, and team workload related to financial tasks. Its goals feature also allows you to set and track financial objectives, like reducing operational costs by a certain percentage. Monday.com also provides excellent dashboards with a focus on visual representation. Its intuitive widgets make it easy to create impactful financial reports, showing progress against budgets or tracking key financial metrics. For simpler, more visual reporting needs, Monday.com can be very effective.